What we do here is go back.
Welcome back to another episode of Monkey Wrench Garage. Today we'll be changing an engine air filter on a 2015 GMC Terrain. Okay, let's pop the hood and take a look. On the left side of the engine bay, you'll find the air filter housing. The air filter housing cover is held on by 4 bolts. Using a 10mm socket and an extension, loosen the 4 bolts. You could also use a number 2 Phillips tip or a large flat blade screwdriver. Now, disconnecting the mass airflow sensor connector is not necessary, but allows you better accessibility to the air filter and also to clean out the internal of the box. Now, with access to the air filter element, let's remove the old air filter. Note the dirt and debris that builds up in the pleats of the filter. Now, with the air filter out, take a minute to clean the internal of the housing. Use a vacuum to suck up any loose dust, dirt, and debris that has built up on the bottom of the housing. Now, with a moist rag or paper towel, wipe up the remaining dust inside the housing. Regularly changing out your filter every 12 to 15,000 miles will increase fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and prolong engine life. Today we'll be using an STP air filter, an SA10465. Here's a list of other brands that are compatible with the 2010 to 2017 GMC Terrain or Chevy Equinox. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor connector. And finally, using a 10mm socket and an extension, tighten the 4 bolts back onto the housing. And just like that, you changed your engine air filter. If you enjoyed this episode of Monkey Wrench Garage, please feel free to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification to stay up with the latest in Monkey Wrench Garage.